Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Sony WI-C310 wireless earbuds or earphones and you need to do a hard reset to default settings on it. There's two reasons that you might want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If these earphones will not connect to your device, or they are not pairing or syncing with Bluetooth, or if they keep disconnecting, if you're not getting any sound, any kind of connectivity or functionality issues can very often be fixed with a hard reset. The second reason you might want to do this, and you'll have to do it either way, is that if you want to start fresh as though these were new earphones, this will wipe everything off of them and you can pair them with a new device or whatever you like. But anyways, if that's something you want to do, we can go ahead and first of all, just make sure they're unplugged, first of all, and second of all, they need to be, we're going to turn them off. And once they're turned off, we're going to come in and press the power button and the volume down button and press and hold them for 7 seconds. After 7 seconds, the little indicator light will flash 4 times, indicating that the reset is complete.